Hello, and welcome to the San Diego State University College of Education Office of Student Services Supplementary and Subject Matter Authorization presentation. In this video, we will cover the basic information on supplementary and subject matter authorizations and how you can qualify for one of these authorizations. Please keep in mind that you do not need to be an expert in evaluating for supplementary or subject matter authorizations. If you have at least 12 semester units of coursework in another subject, please check the supplementary or subject matter authorization box on your credential request form. Your credential analyst will review your transcripts to see if you are qualified for any additional authorizations. Supplementary and subject matter authorizations. What are they? Supplementary and subject matter authorizations are authorizations that can be added to a basic general education teaching credential, such as a single subject or multiple subject credential. Supplementary authorization and subject matter authorizations allow an educator to teach in a subject area other than the subject area of the basic credential they have earned. These authorizations can only be earned on the basis of coursework. How to qualify for a supplementary authorization or subject matter authorization. Introductory supplementary authorizations require at least 20 semester units in the subject. Introductory supplementary authorization is typically issued in broader academic subject areas such as art, agriculture, business, music, PE, and social science. If added to a single subject teaching credential, it authorizes teaching content typically approved for study in grades 9 and below. However, students may be above grade 9. Introductory subject matter authorization requires at least 32 semester units in the subject. Subject matter authorization is issued in core academic subjects only. In general, because of the difference in units, subject matter authorizations are No Child Left Behind compliant, while supplementary authorizations are not. If added to a multiple subject credential, it authorizes the educator to teach the content to students in grades 9 and below. What subjects are commonly issued? You can qualify for a supplementary authorization if you have at least 20 semester units in the specific subject and have taken courses in each specific content area. Let's look at an example to earn the English supplementary or middle school authorization. As you can see in the example worksheet, this educator has completed at least one course in each of the specific content areas, which are grammar or language structure, composition, and literature. The additional units can be English electives as long as they total 20 or more. You can qualify for the subject matter authorization with at least 32 semester units in the subject and have taken at least 3 units of coursework in each of the specific content areas. In this example, the educator is earning a math subject matter authorization. This educator has completed at least 32 semester units in specific math content areas including algebra, advanced algebra, geometry, probability or statistics, and elementary math or real number system or introductory math. The additional units can be math elective courses as long as they total 32 or more. Please note, earning a subject matter authorization in the subject of science requires at least 6 semester units in each of the specific content areas listed on the worksheet. Although the process for supplementary and subject matter authorizations may seem complicated, the good news is you do not need to review your transcripts on your own. Your analyst will do all the work for you. If you have at least 12 semester units in a specific subject and wish to apply for a supplementary or subject matter authorization review, please check the supplementary or subject matter authorization box on your credential request form. Your analyst will inform you if you are qualified for any additional authorizations. If you are qualified for an additional authorization, your credential analyst will recommend you for your initial teaching license along with the additional authorization. If you have additional questions, please contact your credential analyst. Thanks for watching.